Today let's talk about hard work and talent. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Most of us agree, talent matters. In fact, many experts dispute the notion that hard work overrides talent every time. The caveat, hard work must be the common factor for anyone seeking to be successful, regardless of talent. No amount of talent can supersede hard work. If you have natural ability, don't expect it to automatically generate success. It won't. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.